All right, number 10 wants us to multiply numbers. As long as the indexes, which are 4 and 4, as long as they're the same, we can do it. So we can do it. We multiply the numbers on the outside, get something. We multiply the numbers on the inside. So let's multiply the outside numbers, -2 and -4. -2 times -4 is +8. So on the outside of this fourth root, we have an 8. The inside, I have a 4 times 4, which 4 is really, isn't that just a 2 times 2 times a 2 times a 2? Why did I do that? Because I saw that it takes 4 to come out, and they didn't trick me. 4 times 4 is 16. I could do a factor tree. I'm going to get a bunch of 2s. Into the 7th, into the 4th. That will be into the 11th. I'm going to write it this way this time. Into the 11th. I could write out 11 ends, but we're going to do it this way this time. So, fourth root, I need 4 to come out. I can see that I'm going to bring a 2 out. So that's going to give me 16. We're still got it clear up into the 11. Now think about it. You have 11. You're putting them in groups of 4. You're really doing 11 divided by 4. That's what you're really doing here. 11 divided by 4. 4 goes into 11 how many times? 2 times with a remainder of 3. That means you're going to be able to get 2 of them outside, and you're going to have 3 left on the inside. Okay, so we know there'd be 2 groups. If you're not, don't believe me, look. Here's 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's a group of 4. There's a group of 4. I have 2 groups with how many left over? 3. So I'm going to have n squared outside because I'm going to pull him out and him out. Left on the inside is going to be n to the what? 3rd. And don't forget to put a little 4 there in the index spot. So there's our answer to number 10. 16n squared, 4th root of n cubed. Number 11, division. As long as the index is the same, we can divide them. So let's see what we're going to get. We're just going to divide. 200 divided by 50 is 4. A to the 8th over an A, you'd be left with A to the 7th up top. Y7 over Y4, you're left with Y to the 3rd. So number-wise, 4 is just 2 and a 2, so you need 3 to come out, so that's not going to do any good. So that was just a 2 and a 2. As I said, not going to do any good. A to the 7th, we'll list them out this time. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 Y's. So I can pull a set of A's out. Another set of A's comes out. And all my Y's are going to go out. Final answer, A squared Y, cube root, 2 times 2 is 4. And then we have A left right there. One more to go. Let's do number 12. Again, index is the same. We're fine to do it. 8 divided by 1 is just an 8 inside there, which will be a 2 times 2 times 2. A9 over A5. Well, if you have 9 A's up top and 5 in the bottom, when you cross that, you're going to be left with 4 in here. 8 K's, 7 K's in the bottom, you're going to be left with 1 K. So this guy, 8, as I just said, that's a 2 times 2 times 2. A, K. So a 2 is going to be coming out and an A. So we have 2A. 3rd root, who's left behind? We have a single A and a single K. There's our answer.